Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to check battery health and optimize it on this device. So let's go to settings first of all, and let's scroll down to section battery. Let's scroll down once again and tap battery health, and please at the top pay attention to maximum capacity. This is the estimate of your device's current battery capacity compared to when it was new. In the same battery health menu you can enable smart charging option. When you enable it, your phone will learn your daily routine. So this is designed to slow down battery aging. Just for example, if you charge your phone in the night, it will stay at 80% and it will only finish the last 20% right before you wake up. So that's why it's called smart charging. But there is another option, custom charging limit. So if you want to maximize the battery's total lifespan over 3 to 4 years, you can force your phone to stop charging at 80% completely. So use this slider. And additionally, here is another option, resume charging at 95%. So charging automatically stops when the battery is fully charged and resumes when your battery level drops below 95%. So you can customize it everything right here. That's how you can check your battery health and optimize it on your OPPO Reno15 Pro device. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.